Hey guys, welcome back to Make That Sea Change again with you today. My name is Paul and Make That Sea Change is my site aimed at assisting any of you looking to set yourself up with your own online business. And today we're going to follow on from a post I've just recently finished about how to make money selling flowers online, moving that into my 10 flowers affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing is one way that you can make some good money with flowers, whether it be in the delivery, flower types, things like vases and the like, artificial flowers, and then obviously growing, nurturing, planting, doing whatever it is you do, arranging whatever you do with flowers. So without wasting more of your time, let's check out the affiliate program list that I've come up with below. So hang on, let's clear all this rubbish out the way. So with my 10 programs, basically what I've done is just gone through, found 10 that are suitable across a few different areas. And we can see here that we're looking at what they offer, the commission rates, payment terms, cookie duration, application processes, and the affiliate marketing materials that they provide. And as we start to look through our options, we've got flowers in general, special occasions, delivery, growing flowers, carrying flowers, artificial flowers, and virtual flowers. So there's a little bit in there that you can look at with making money with flowers online. Now, as we go through all these affiliate programs, just make sure that they're suitable for your site and your niche, as in make sure they match your audience. So some want specifics, while others just want to get a nice bunch of flowers out to their significant other on a budget. If you're dealing with sites that are looking at hardcore florists or hobbyists, professionals, they won't take risks if they don't trust your site. So make sure that you're choosing good quality options. And if you're looking at those for a hobby or for a family member, make sure your posts and your affiliate programs can outline for them what it is that they exactly need. Otherwise, they will not purchase from you. So with all that out the way, let's have a look at our 10 sites that I've come up with. The first one is FloristOne. Most of the first 5 or 6 here are all similar in ilk, as in they're all doing roughly around the same thing, which is all about selling flowers. And they all sell them in various areas, such as, by the types of flowers, for purposes, and so on. So the first one here is FloristOne. They have bouquets, vase arrangements, plants, and roses, and all the occasions or purposes: get well, new baby, everyday, thank you, birthday, love and romance, anniversary. And that probably isn't a fair list for what they have on there. They have everything there. You can see all the different types up there, but they've got also balloons. They've got balloons and centerpieces and fruit baskets and like. So there's lots of stuff you can purchase there. So if you're in the florist industry, dealing with flowers or anything to do with gifts, weddings, birthdays, funerals, babies, anything else that you can add flowers to, this site would be a good addition to anything there. They pay 20% commission, which is really good. And the flower industry seems to be really good for commissions. The last bunch of flowers I bought was like $120. So 20% of that's what, $24? Not bad. That would cost you around $100. So there's $20 straight on that. So if you can jump in this market, I think you could do quite well. They're 20%, 30 days, and they manage their affiliate program internally. Yeah, FloristOne. Okay, next one, 1-800-Flowers. Similar, again, as I mentioned, the first 4 or 5 are all variations of the same thing: delivery, gifts, birthdays, etc. So you can see they've got flowers, Mother's Day arrangements, sympathy roses, flowers and gifts, plants, baskets and food, and international flower delivery, which is where this market's become so lucrative. I could purchase flowers online for someone in the US or UK right now, and they would have them within the hour. So that's how fast it can all work across international borders, etc. So again, lots of nice floral options: non-floral, gourmet, cookies, plants, teddy bears, collectible gifts, so on and so forth. So again, any of the gift markets, wedding, anything to do with these, you could add this one to. This one, 6%, 10-day cookie, and they also manage their affiliate program internally. 1-800-Florals, not to be confused with the one above. Same thing, different day basically. They promote themselves as real florists with 90 plus years experience. Discount flowers by next day air. I think that's next day by air. I might have to change that. And a network of more 20,000 professional flower shops in the US, Canada, and 150 categories. Similar to the first two sites above there, everything that you could possibly need to do with flowers and gifts. And they've also got, there's a little cool little section here, glossary of flowers and other information, which can be very helpful to you in your site. Definitely build a good affiliate business around this one and add it to any gift related site. One thing that was different about these ones is they have virtual options as well. So you can send virtual flowers and virtual e-cards, etc. to people via this site. So if it's someone you just want to send the thought and they're not a, you don't want to waste time with a big bunch of flowers, well, that's a waste of time, then you can send them virtually also. They're also 20%, which is really good, 45-day cookie, and they're through CJ affiliates. Interflora, an Australian site, well known here in Australia for florists. So if you're anyone dealing with flower affiliate lists in Australia, this would be a good one to add. Largest and most well-known flower delivery network. And being Australian, based on the fact that we are pretty much segregated from the rest of the world, anything that does international delivery is a good one. And you can see all the other options: Easter, Anzac Day, which is an Australian and New Zealand holiday, luxury hampers, cancer collections, funerals, gourmets, sympathy, get well, baby, birthday, anniversary, and so on and so forth. Again, you could definitely build a site around an affiliate business based on this site alone, or an addition to anything that you're dealing with here if flowers are involved. 10%, couldn't find their cookie duration, and they're through Commission Factory. FTD, I'm gathering based on the little decal there, little logo there, that these are an international version of Interflora. Massive range of flowers. They had just about everything. In fact, so much that I had to do a graphic rather than try and copy it all in, or else the page would go for another good way down the line. But you can see everything they've got flowers there for, which is good because most of us think of flowers for birthdays and Christmas and St. Valentine's Day, but there's obviously other options in here that you can do it for. Again, build an affiliate business around this one if you want, or if you're dealing with any of these types of businesses, then you could certainly add this one to that as floral options. 8%, and then special commission rates for top performers. Again, couldn't find their cookie, and they're through CJ affiliates, these guys. Okay, if you need help, if you need your own help, if you need help building your own site around any of these affiliate programs, put your email address in here and click here to get started. That way I can start helping you getting your business up and running. You won't need a credit card. You can go in there, check it out. If you don't like it, you can close out without a problem. But if you need help getting set up, get your details in here and I can help you out. Okay, Pick Up Flowers, world's leading international e-commerce gifting company. Basically, this one is all about fast delivery worldwide. So if you're looking for flowers delivered for any of these options internationally quickly, this is the site that you might want to look at. Or if your site is dealing with that sort of thing, obviously, this is the site you might want to look at. Definitely build a site around this one. Again, add it to any of the holiday special occasion sites. They've got a lot of free materials and a blog on this one too, which is really good. There's some good stuff there about what flowers mean, why you send them, what types to send, what types mean, so on and so forth. So quite a good little blog on this one too. 15%, 60 days, and they manage theirs internally. Okay, so as I mentioned, the first 6 there were about delivery. Now we start to get into some of the different aspects of flowers. First one, Afloral, is to do with artificial flowers. Artificial flowers is a massive, massive industry. A lot of corporate clients, a lot of workplaces, anything to do with shop fronts are all going towards artificial flowers now because it's easier and cheaper. They buy them once, they can, as long as you can keep them clean. This is all the options you've got for artificial flowers. Real touch flowers, roses, wildflowers and artificial berries, and even dried flowers, which are real flowers but dried. And they've got plants and stuff there too. So a great option for anyone dealing with artificial flowers. If your site's about artificial flowers or home decor, professional designers, anything like that, then this would be a good site to add. They're 6%, 30 days, and they're through Arwen. BloomsyBox. BloomsyBox is a subscription service. So if you're someone who likes to have flowers delivered to your home, to your office, to a workplace, to anything on a weekly, fortnightly, or bi-monthly, I think they call it in the US, or monthly basis, then bi-weekly, yep. Then you can have set up a subscription box. Basically, you choose your plan and your price. I think was about $50 a month, which is quite good for a bunch of flowers. You get your flowers sent and they turn up on time. There's even some good information there about how to keep your flowers so that they last longer in the vase. And yeah, and you can buy flowers there through the flower shop option there. You can buy just individual bunches on an ad hoc basis too. They're 5 to 10%, 30-day cookie, and they're managed through Arwen as well. Okay, final two. Gardener Supply Company's not really a flower shop as such. They are a massive gardening supply company. So if your site is anything to do with growing flowers, this would be one site that I would definitely be adding. They've got plant supports, watering, irrigation, garden tools, soils and fertilizers, plant accessories, seeds, flowering bulbs, and more. All those to do with flowers and plants and anything else. So if you're purely in the flowers niche, you could definitely do worse than add this site to link people to if you're talking about the growing and harvesting of flowers. They are 8%, couldn't find any cookie duration, and they're through Share a Sale. And finally, Sarah Raven. Sarah Raven is, and I say apparently only for the fact that being Australian, I haven't heard of her, but in the UK, she was a renowned garden and food writer and TV broadcaster, and she started a site around flowers that started with seed lists, and she's built that into flower seeds, plants and bulbs, gardening kits, artificial flowers, vases and planters. So everything to do with flowers, everything to do with growing, harvesting, all that sort of stuff there with flowers, and general gardening, fruit and vegetable growing, home decor items, giftware, indoor planting as well. So if you're in a greater gardening niche, this one could also help you. But if you're in flowers, anything to do with growing flowers, the advantage of this one too is there is also, as you can see on the top there, courses and events. So you can actually sell people into flower growing courses, which is a very good idea and a good option to look at as well, especially if you're in the growing niche. Couldn't find her commission rate. She has a 30-day cookie and she's through WebGains. Okay, that's my 10 affiliate programs, but if you are looking to branch out and cover a few different things from a few different areas, maybe give Amazon a try. You can see I've got 3 things there. That's a real bunch of flowers that you can buy through Amazon. They are artificial flowers that you can set up yourself, and a cool looking antique. It's not really antique, it's an antique looking vase for plants, for flowers. So all sorts of different variations there. Have a look into Amazon Associates. From there you can get up and running and you can start to post those links on your site. Okay, if you're looking for your own programs, I've listed a lot there, but if you want more on the growing side of things or artificial side of things or whatever, just do a search for affiliate flowers. You'll see here, you've got Flowers for Everyone, Easy Flowers, FloristOne, Pro Flowers. Some of these are Australian, me being in Australia, they will bring those up first. You'll get US ones if you're in the US, or UK if you're in the UK, etc. But you could do affiliate artificial flowers, affiliate flower vases, affiliate growing flowers, whatever it is you're trying to find affiliate programs for. Do that search and you'll be able to find programs that can maybe better suit your niche. From there, just make sure that something we discussed, as we started to discuss earlier, just make sure that they match your niche and the problems that you're solving. Make sure their products are quality. Check out their reviews and their commissions, etc. as well. And then when you apply, make sure that you do a proper job of application, because most of them tend to think if you can do a half-baked job of the application, you're going to do a half-baked job of selling their products. That's it, guys. That's my 10 flowers affiliate programs. Hope that was helpful for you. If you're watching this within YouTube, please like and subscribe to my channel below. If you're watching this within the post and you need any help getting your website up and running, finding affiliate programs, joining affiliate programs, adding affiliate links or banners, etc. to your website, anything like that, need any help, please don't hesitate to comment below and I'd love to help you out. Thanks, guys. Hope that was good. Chat to you soon. Bye.